Now, we had already mentioned before about not being a pack rat as far as pulling stuff out. Now that you already have it in the garage sale, you've got to make a real decision as to, what are you going to get rid of? And, don't be a pack rat. You're going to have to put this stuff back up. You're going to have to organize it. You want to get it out of there, and you want to sell it. If you want to make money on a garage sale, and we've oftentimes, my sister will make $500 on a garage sale because she's really willing to go out there to put as much as she can out there and to put it within reasonable price. If things truly are valuable, then don't undercut yourself. She would put it maybe a little more than I would ever put it at a garage sale, but then she sells it and she made $500 on a garage sale. Be willing to realize, make a conscious effort to know that I have to. Stuff that's going to be sitting out at next year's garage sale, and you're not going to use it in between then, try to get rid of it. Put it out, display it. Try to talk to people. If you see somebody interested, negotiate. Keep going down until they want it, till it's cheap enough that they really, really want it.